Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Skyway Classics channel. And today we have a treat. A beautiful 1969 Dodge Super Bee. And this thing is a beast. Just absolutely beautiful. Beautiful paint job. This has been restored. The engine it has in it now is a 440. It was originally came with a 383. So a little bit bigger of an engine in there. Beautiful paint, back to the original. And it is just gorgeous. It's got the pistol grip, manual 4-speed. It's got a Mopar wheel on there. Interior looks excellent. Great condition. Just a stellar car. Forgot to grab the keys to open up the trunk, so let me go grab those real fast. Show you a little sneak peek of the dash gauges. Pop the trunk real fast. And as you can imagine, just as beautiful as the rest of the car. It's got some subs in here. Radio plays very well. It is a new, more digital style radio, as you'll see in a moment. Let's hop up in front here. All the dash works, switches and all. There's the newer radio right there. So you definitely got reliable tunes. And this car is just gorgeous. I think this is my new favorite one on our lot right now. All right, well, let's go ahead, take her for a spin, see how she drives, put her on the lift, check her out underneath. And thanks for stopping by, everybody. Hey Al.
Hey Marco.
What a ride we got here.
Yeah, this is a Super Bee, 1970 with a 440. It is an error correct 440, 4-speed with the pistol grip. Just gotta love that pistol grip, man. That was back in the day, man. Put it right in your face. And this car is a factory air conditioned car. And the air conditioner, as you can feel, Mark, is nice and cold. I got the window open to enjoy this beautiful day that we got going here. This car is completely restored, like 9 years ago. Painted in the original color that it was, the orange. But just a fun, straight car. I mean, look at going out of that driveway, no big crinkles in it. I mean, look at that. Whoa, we got a little bit of a mist there.
Yeah. That is strong.
Speedometer works. Tachometer works off to the side. I don't know if you can see it. All the gauges work. Look at that steering wheel, just perfectly straight, hands off.
Wow,
quite amazing.
What a driver!
Yeah, this is this high quality in drivers, but the 4-speed is just as nice as you can, Mark. But this is a true numbers correct, error correct motor, 440, and it is the real Super Bee on the VIN tag and the plate. So I just wanted you to know that.
Beautiful.
And just thought we'd take her easy on the way back. Man, isn't this cool?
Yeah, this is really cool.
Yeah, they had it in the old days. Man, look at that stick shift just right up in your face like that.
Wow.
Look at how straight that is.
That's incredible. more up on the lift.
That's the fun part. Just wait to see underneath this car. 'Cause
Yeah.
it's nice at the top.
Excellent. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, here's the Super B up on the lift. Check out how gorgeous this car is. Just a beautifully well done undercarriage on it. Just, this car drives well. It looks as good as ever. And everybody wants to say hi and see what's going on. We would really love to see this in your collection. Do one more walkthrough from this side. It's a little bit better light. Be able to see a little bit better here. Get a little walk down going. Just phenomenal. All right, well, if you have any questions or concerns, give us a call, shoot us an email. Love to talk more about this. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day and happy holidays.